Say the bula again.
Bula, bula.
Back in those days, they used to make a big one. You must be wondering how big the cooking pot they make back in those days. Family which can fit 1 or 2 human beings can cook at one time. In Fiji, only few places are well known in making pottery, and they do have a special clay for the pottery too. They bring the clay from the river bank, which we do believe that the clay do contain volcanic sand. That's why it can stand up the heat back into the open fire. Things are still done by hand, no spinning wheel or machine. For the help of the round stone, it is the beginning of the inner side shape and a flat stick for tapping the outside part. They have to add water while mold the articles. Articles already unmold, it need to be air dried inside like this. So it takes a month or 2 for air drying. When the articles are thoroughly dried, they wrap it around with a coconut rod. They set it in the open fire. 30 to 45 minutes in the open fire. Once the articles are red hot from the fire, family, they quickly remove it out from the fire and they rub it with the sap of the tree, which we call in Fijian makandri. Tree sap, when it's set on top of the red hot articles, it melts like wax, glazing up the pottery. Finished product do shines like vanish. And it is waterproof, water vessel. C-A-L-I-C pronounced in T-H. Chief's War Club, which always carried by the chief during the battle, where he whacked any part of the body, either the neck, back, or even at the leg. When the victim lay on the ground, still shine life of him, they quickly finish them off, jump on top of the body, 1 step on the chest. This part of the club family, they place it into the neck, push it into choke, and they twist it. It is a neck breaker. Anybody want to try? So during your holiday in Fiji, if you have a neck problem, you call us, we'll come and do. This is recognized as the marksman or the great warrior. Packing of the close combat, piecing up the hole in front of the forehead or even at the rear without smash the whole skull. Later, they rip the skull into half. They take it into the temple for the priest drinking kava. And when the skull ripped into half, family, the brain left. This is the brain picker. Even an eyeball. Piecing up human flesh once it cooks straight to the mouth.
Yummy.
Still fresh from last night. Aidula Nimbo Kola, it is a cannibal fork. And the very Iula, it is a throwing club, works like a boomerang in Australia. It goes and comes back. But it comes back in a manner. Would you like to see how it comes back? Would you like to see how it comes back?
Yeah.
Then you have to run for your life. Aiming that target, but throw this throwing club, it must hit the target. If it misses the target, what the target will do, family, they will turn in angry way, pick it up and they throw it back at you. That's how it goes and comes back.
Don't give me.
How do you use these ones? This one's like
Left is single. Or the best way to remember about the flower once you spend a holiday in Fiji, family. Right is cooking, left is still looking or available. Thank you. We'll continue to the next time. Let's give a round of applause to the lady here. And flexible. And the other one here, anyone can use it as a sleeping mat. But today, anyone can be a chief because they can buy that from the handicraft shop. And the process of making sleeping mat like this one, family, It completely takes them 3 to 4 months to complete for the whole process. Native cloth house. Our native cloth in here, it is calling in Fijian masi, which is generally known as tapa. Family, it is out from the back of the tree, a family plant of mulberry tree. First, they have to cut out the trees to put the ingredient crush from the back, and they leave the white inside skin. Bring it inside the house for the process of soaking, beating, and out of patterning. In beating, they use the wooden mallet that calling Fiji Ike. The outside is to extend the bark, smoother side for smoothing. They have to add water while beating the bark. When they beat the bark will keep on extend. So what they do, they overlap the other one on top and they beat them together. There is a natural sap in the bark that sticks the barks together, no modern glues or gum. They have to beat the masi till the required size. They like it. It's back in those days, which we call in Fijian buru. They placed the bait right inside. When the fish tried to eat the bait, as soon as they went right inside, there is no space for them to turn around. Even a small fish, they can't swim backwards. Whoa. Anybody want to try?
Better.
Our chief back in the olden days, they do recognize for the clothes they wear, necklaces which is out from the wild boar tusk, and even the numbers of wife they have. Family, they have multiples of wife back in those days. They say there is no problem having 2 or 99 wife. Because the more wife they in Bure Kalau, Bure means house, Kalau means God, and it is a temple. Temple, they build the temple.
Thank you. Let's give a big round of applause, ladies.
Lovo!